Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll teach you how to create a group in Facebook. Go to facebook.com and log into your account. Click on groups, which is on your left hand side. You can find create new group on your left hand side again. Now give a name to your group. You can choose privacy, whether it will be public or private. If it's a public group, then everybody will be able to see what's in your group. And if it's a private group, then only the members of the group will be able to see the content available on your group. You can choose either one of them. If you choose your group to be private, then you'll have an option whether it will be visible to anyone or only members can find this group. You can invite your friends, and that's optional. On your right hand side, you can see the preview of your group in a desktop. You can also have a preview of your phone. By clicking on create, you have successfully created your account. I hope now you'll be able to create a group of your own in Facebook. Please let us know about your thoughts and requests for our new videos by commenting below. Click on the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.